Jersey. Out 20
That took so long.
Outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey. Out 20 to 40
Oh my
nautical
God,
miles until 10:15
SMW.
p.m. At 8:51 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 13 nautical miles northwest of Beach Haven to 6 nautical miles northwest of Brigantine to Boise, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard:
SMW.
or greater and small hail.
Small hail.
Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Little Egg
Atlantic
Reef,
City.
Ship Bottom, Great Egg
Ship
Inlet,
Bottom.
Barnegat Light
Ship
Reef,
Bottom.
States Out Reef, Harvey Cedars, Beach Haven, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State Road Reef, Little Egg Inlet,
Little Egg Inlet.
Brigantine, and Fort Bridger.
Bruh, I missed it.
Metropolitan area.
Come on.
Mostly
God
cloudy
dang.
with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms this evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall this evening.
Gusty.
Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Becoming northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain 60%. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs around 80.
What?
North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour.
Dude, what took you so long to issue another SMW? Like literally.